Hello guys, welcome to our channel Never Ending. In this video, I will tell you about how to delete a particular row in MySQL using NetBeans with Java program with establishing a connection with jdbc. So, I will suggest you that you first watch my insertion and update video for the better understanding of all the classes and what we are doing. So I'm not writing the whole program again. I'm just updating my query. String SQL delete from the table name. The table name of ours is EMP where ID is equals to 2. Just the query is changed, and again you just change the system.out.println the message you want to show here, data deleted. Okay guys, so when we run it, you can see the message is successfully showed data deleted. So open your MySQL and select, and you can see that that Ramesh column is just deleted from our table. So your data is deleted, and you can I can also show you that delete from employee where id is equal to 1. If we delete this and we again run the file and open your SQL and again use this query, select star from emp, you can see a table is permanently deleted from here as the both rows we have deleted. So if you have any queries related to all these three operations, data insert, update and delete, and also we have created a table in my previous video, you can share your doubts with the comments or the email I will provide you. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching it. Please like and subscribe it. Thank you.